guys, I'm going to show you how to replace the fuel filter on a first gen Eagle Talon, same as the Plymouth Laser, same as the Mitsubishi Eclipse. So this is the 4263. Anyways, the fuel filter you'll find is right here. Yeah, these were 12 mil right here. This is the first thing I loosened. You don't want to take them all the way out, otherwise it's going to be a pain to take the rest out. So you have the fuel line right here coming in. That was a 14 mil. So you'll take that out first, and then next you're going to pull this banjo bolt. I loosened it. Make sure you don't lose these crush washers, otherwise you're going to have a fuel leak. It's not ideal. Alright, so now that we got that, we can take these out. Alright, so here's the fuel filter. So, what we have to do is, it looks like that's probably an 8. So we're going to go ahead and release that bracket and loosen it. Alright, so once you get this out, careful not to strip it. Now the fuel filter should slide right out, and you're going to see it's going to be labeled out, and there should be a label in. So that's how we're going to replace it. Right, here's the new one. It's always good to compare. So in. This one isn't labeled out on the top, but as long as you have one of them labeled, you'll know. So it's going to sit in there like that, just like the other one. So we'll go ahead and just get this started. I'm just going to go ahead and put it in halfway. Alright, it's all tight, so let's go ahead and put it back in. Alright, so you'll go ahead and set it in place right there. And you're going to put your 12 mil bolts back in. Not all the way, just enough to tighten it so it doesn't move. Alright, so now we're like that. So now we're going to start by putting the bottom line in first. Alright, I don't know if you'll be able to see me do this, but so now we're going to go ahead. Got it hand threaded. So now we're going to actually tighten it in. That's the tightest that's going to get. Now it's time to put our fuel line back on. As you can see, kind of, there's a copper gasket right here. So you'll have that there. And you'll put it through the top, like so. And then you're going to put your additional one on top. And now when you're done with that, you'll start threading it in. So this is 18. Alright, that's all tight. So now we're just going to go ahead and tighten the ones holding it. 12. Alright, and also these little flanges right here are to hold the fuel line, so whichever direction you want. So you might have to make some adjustments, but mine's set up just fine for mine to fit. And it goes from there to the fuel rail. But that's how you replace the fuel filter on a first gen DSM.